Getting better, huh? It's very good.
So I learned now something.
I think you have to come tomorrow again. And then we finish. We finish until in the evening.
Even in finish, uncle, we are finished.
Yeah, that's very good.
Never maybe think, oh, that was too strong, man.
Yeah, that's fine.
I can feel when it's
Yeah.
this one.
No, it's good. That's good.
Let's. This is small one.
Only just take care. That one is small. Yeah, it's fine.
Can I got this one too?
Yeah, just one time. So, and take the big one.
This one?
Yeah. Then I will take over again.
I can cut a little more. Become strong.
Oh my God! You become really strong, huh? Oh my God! You become very strong, huh? Just just think you are hungry.
I'm angry with that.
And then you can do it. Oh my God. Become very nice, huh?
So we can finish all evening.
Yeah.
No, really.
Yeah. That is a long one, huh? You have to take care. Oh, rain's coming. Brr.
Careful, it's
Oh.